Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Like I said, did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And not a whole lot of things to update other than, a couple things to keep an eye on. And that's mainly that the bulls are, holding their ground, and I'm defining and quantifying the statement holding their ground is right down here at the 49-cent mark. Again, talked about that in yesterday's video. So yeah, that is holding their ground, meaning the price hasn't violated that area. Heck, to be fully fair to the bulls, I mean, the price hasn't even tested it. The closest it's gotten is, right around there, around 50 cents. But on the flip side of things, while the bulls are maintaining their ground, holding their ground, the bears are making progress. Again, how am I defining and quantifying that statement that the bears are making progress? Well, look at the highs. Ever since the gap down, every single time there's been a bounce, the highs just keep getting lower and lower. And if you picture those as stairs, the stair steps are going in the downward direction. Now, does that mean that this is guaranteed to break down through 49 cents? No such thing as a guarantee in the market. But it is something that certainly needs to be noted that, while the price is, starting to level off a little bit and the bulls are holding their ground, the bears are definitely making progress forward and, starting to gain some strength. And again, gaining strength via those higher lows. Now, could the price just, explode upwards like that? Yeah, absolutely. And then from a storybook perspective, that would tell us that, hey, the bears are losing their strength. And, these downward stair steps here were just kind of a glitch on the radar. Didn't really mean anything. But as things stand right now, something that, needs to be accounted for and taken note of. On any sort of bounce to the upside, key level of resistance right now is all about the pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Talked about that yesterday, but just to reiterate, this is definitely going to be a key battleground with any sort of bounce, and that's based on the foundational principle in charts. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So, like I said, right now, 49 cents still that key level of support. 200 period simple moving average, key level of resistance. So let's see how tomorrow unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.